Head over to your Google Business profile and check to see if you have this card showing up here for your business. If you do, it means that Google is going to put a big scary warning here during the holidays that says business hours may vary. And you do not want that on your profile because it's going to make it so that people don't know if you're actually open, which makes them less likely to go to you. So what you need to do is go to your profile, scroll this bar, and look at all of the different things that Google's suggesting. And you should do all of them. But for this video, let's focus on just confirming your holiday hours. So I'm going to click on this, and Google is now going to ask me if I click on hours, if I have any special hours. And here you can see that it already put up the public holidays that it knows your hours might differ on. And what you'll say is review. And if you're actually closed, then go ahead and mark it as closed. Right. This is now going to show that you are closed, but if you are open, because you interacted with this module, Google's not going to say that your holiday hours vary. So let's just say, for example, that our hours are just a little different on this day. You'll just click the different hour instead and say save. And just like that, I gave Google more confidence about my business, which means that they're more likely to show me during the holidays when they're just not certain about the vast majority of businesses and whether they're open. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you.